Yeah.
This one was
What's that? Did that do it?
I'm not using that. I'm not using that. Contact strip.
You go outside of it. Really?
Didn't even knock me down.
Huh. Really, really burnt corroded wires. They were super loose.
I'll run everything.
The old wires were just barely inside the breaker. They weren't drilled down on it. They weren't tightened in there. They were just loosely stuck in. So that's likely to cause corrosion. What?
Time set on almost a little after 11. Good.
11:14.
Cool. Save them from a big problem in the future by coming out here. Did a maintenance check and we found that corrosion. So we told them about it and they wanted to get out here and get it fixed. That way it doesn't become a massive problem in the future. We caught it ahead of time, saved them some heartache. That's the Light family way. Oh, and money, because when it breaks big time, it costs them way more money than to have a pump fix it preemptively, proactively, and professionally.